everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and today we have the Socket to Me 2022, the Socket to Me 2023 Roundup for February. First off, I would like to thank Teresa Knitting Dancer, Amy Knits, Bonnie Got Knits and More, and Hannah Sedaris for sharing their socks with me and with us, with you as well, this month. As requested, I think if all, I have done a sock tutorial, guys, and I can't remember when it came out. I think it came out at the beginning of this month, and these are the socks that I made for the tutorial, and I talk you step by step going through these. I'll put the link to that tutorial down below, and these are made with superwash merino, and the yarn is from Vicky Brown Designs, if I'm not mistaken, and I used 3mm 9-inch circular needles by Knit Pro Symphony. So they're one pair of socks that I did for this month. And then my second pair of socks are, the pattern is by the Crazy Sock Lady K, and it's called The Shallow, and I've used yarnable yarn, and if I'm not mistaken, I think I've got my label in here. I think I put my label in here. Yes, I did. It's called Laugh Some More, Worry Less, and it is 85 superwash merino, 15 nylon, and there was 437 yards and 100 grams. So yeah, so they're my two pairs of socks. Two pairs of socks for hold on. Two pairs of socks this month, guys. So so this is Vanilla Sock, and this is The Shallow by the Crazy Sock Lady. We'll be continuing on next month. I haven't decided what socks I'm going to make next month. I think a pair of them are going to be Stephen West's. I did plan to do them in February, but with the way things have been and whatever, I'm going to do them next month, and they're a patterned pair, and so yeah, so we'll see how that goes next month. Maybe I'll make a pair, maybe I'll make two pairs, who knows. But even if I just make one pair, it's okay, guys, isn't it? At least I'm doing at least one pair a month. So once again, thank you so much for all your support, guys. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you so much for my long-standing subscribers who have been so supportive, and let's face it, guys, without you my channel wouldn't be here. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and please, guys, if you do knit socks, if you crochet socks, think about sending them in to me, because what I do, those ladies that have sent me their socks, I will put links in the description box to their channels. Please check them out, and thank you once again for your support. So take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye bye for now.